Alright guys, so my roommate Connor locked himself out of his room and he's supposed to be at work almost an hour ago, and I come outside and this is what he's trying to do to get in. He's got a knife and a banana. I'm watching this video, it's the banana, it shows you how to do it. And I click on the video and the video is like, there's no way you can open a door with the banana. You're like, why would you even think that was a possibility? That's unbelievable. What? Fuck you, dude! Fuck you. That's disgusting. What's that shit, bro? You know what's funny is I heard out my door. I thought you were doing something because all I hear is fuck. That's disgusting.
Dude, the Toolbox house is flooding in the kitchen.
I think we just gotta nuke the house.
Why is the kitchen flooded, bro? What the fuck? Your socks are already fucking soaked.
Dude, I'm gonna get fucking hepatitis A through Z. What kind of water bottle do you want?
God damn it, the house flooded.
Oh shit. It's not, it went through my socks. Throw these to the fucking dogs.
I don't know.
The box.
Oh fuck! Bitch! Tristan, you gotta put the thing out when you got shower. Dude, that's not me, it's the girls. Hey, it was you? It was you?
Yeah, I
literally just took a shower for no reason.
I have work at 6 a.m., bitch. And you come home drunk, causing a scene.
You were literally just happy about me being here, so you turned on the fucking camera. I'll fight you.
Go to bed. This is what it's like living
Queen, you know what? Fuck it. Come on, Queen.
No. No! Close the door, asshole.
Alrighty, in the left corner, we got Sleepy G weighing in at about 185. In the right corner, we got T-Bone, we got Tristan Lago weighing in at about 200.
Remember back in the day when you taught me to live and I taught you to pray.
Ding, ding,
we went in the battle
ding.
together, no matter the weather, we never delayed. You feel my life. Staring at you from afar, and the lights nearly scar. This is for the blood, this is for the tears, this is for my pain and my plight. So walk in, but only
This is actually pretty even, I'm impressed.
I'm a survivor. I'm stronger.
Alright, hey, stop!
I wanna rise. A minute?
Yeah.
Wow, I looked pretty even if you ask me.
Fucking solid on one of those.
Yeah. I'm fucking tired. Kini, you gotta give him his prep talk in the corner here.
Where's your stamina for the girl in Arizona?
Oh! Wow. Hey, who's this for? Who are you doing this for?
It's a little disappointing, Tristan.
For Megan? Who do you think won that round?
I just think I need a little free time.
I don't even know, honestly. That was pretty
I don't fucking know either.
I know now I'm back to work, looking for the antidote to crack the code. Pretty sure that I can beat on the classic mode. It's only pretty given to me, but I can't condone. Talking down to me, I'ma have to crack your nose for cracking jokes. I'm looking for the map to hope. You see the pages. Wrote a song about that, you should play it. Oh, ain't that something? First came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't know me. That's good. The time just ain't enough, man. I ain't never take no fucks. I ain't even ready to fight on this stage. You better get for your life. Won't you come and see what it's like? Living by the rules that you write. You ain't know those flags lights. Snakes up a savage tonight. You really on very polite. I'ma get savage tonight. You might think I'm wrong, but I'm getting strong every time. I'ma let it breathe just a little. Keep it.
Wow, good fucking job, guys. Like that was pretty even. That was pretty good on both sides. The fucking audience is leaving. I thought that was pretty even, but Garaudy also fucked him up pretty hard.
I was gonna say the last round was Garaudy.
You did good.
Wow. Fucking ball. Good fight.
tonight.